Hello there. In this video we will try to fix a stapler which is getting stuck in again and again, as you can see here. So let's try to fix it with some pair of pliers. If I open the stapler, we can see that this part which holds the stapler pins is kind of loose, which causing it not to properly align itself with the head of the stapler. And this is a common problem with most of the staplers, which arises with the prolonged usage due to the looseness of these metal plates. So let's try to bend these side plates a bit to align this pin holder in place. After some trial and error, you could easily be able to correct the looseness of this holder. So after fixing the plates, let me show you whether it's working correctly now. Let's try to stapler on a single piece of paper first. Yes, it's working nice. So let's try on the couple of pages. It's working nice too. So this was the fix to the most common problem of the stapler. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos on this channel, and thank you for watching.